very warm welcome to RAF Limits. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can download and install Koha Library System on Ubuntu 22.04. But wait, this is not just an ordinary installation. Here we are going to install Koha Library System with just one command. Yes, one command, and it will install all the required thing, and all the process may complete within only one command. Yes, there's no editing required, there's no data feeding required, there's no step by step required. So you need to enter one command, and it will complete all the process at once go, and you have to sit back and relax, and it will complete all the installation at once. So let's start this video. Here I am going to use .sh script, that is called shell script, and here is on text file. So you can see this is actually the shell script where I put all the commands, all the instructions, and you just need to execute this, and it will install, it will complete all the process in one go. Okay, so you can see this is actually the Koha installation on Ubuntu 22.04, where I use staff interface on 8000 and opaque on 8001. The first command is about to update and upgrade, and then we will add the repository for stable version, and then we will add the Koha GPG key. It's also called source key, and the update the packages again and install the Koha common. These are all commands, and it will execute at once. And then we need to change the port here on the Koha site configuration. Then we need to install the MySQL server, so it will automatically change the port there. And we need to enable some Apache modules, and we need to restart Apache. We need to work on to create the instance. We need to back up the Apache port file first, and then we will edit these listen 8000, 8001, and we will disable the Apache site, default site. Okay, enable the library, that is Koha site, restart, and all such process. So let me copy this, and first of all, let me open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. And there you need to activate the admin mode by writing sudo su password of your Ubuntu system, and then you need to create one file, that is the file name is sudo. You need to create one file. File name is koha _install.sh. So I am using nano here, or you can use gedit as well. So we need to write gedit and create this file. So here's the blank file, and what we need to do here, we need to copy this all script, and we need to paste here. These are commands, those we need to work after this. So you can see now this is actually sh file, .sh file. So that is actually the shell script, and save now. And this file is available on home folder, and close now. After this, what we need to do, we need to give the permission to this file, one, and then we need to execute it. That's it. So let me copy this. Clear the terminal. Let me bigger the size of terminal so you can see easily. What I am going to do, I am going to paste that command that will actually allow this file to be to run. So now I allow the permission, and what next? We need to execute the file. That's it. See, this command will actually execute, and this is only the one command that you need to run, and it will install all the process at once. And you need to relax, and it will install all the process. So let me enter here, and now see, starting updating system. And of course, it will take a long time to complete because all the process will go at once. So you can execute this file and you can come back after 1 hour or 2 hours, so it may complete. It's depend on the speed of your internet, but you can actually install Koha with just one command, with just one script, and it will install all. So if you need this script for your personal use, you can write to me, you can email me, or you can comment in the comment section of this video. And if you need, for example, you need this script for your institution or for commercial use, so you can purchase from the site, the link in the description. So there you can purchase, and you can offer me coffee to support this channel. So thank you very much for watching Raflins. But wait, I will come back when it may complete the installation. Okay, now let's see what happened there. So let me log in here, and it has done successfully. So you can see here's the password, and we can keep this password and copy this, not like this. We can copy this, and you can paste here. So now, and then you can see the whole process. It's take a long, almost 1 hour or maybe more. So here we have installed. We started this SH script, and then install the Koha, MySQL, and then update. There we can see we have the Koha packages here, and then plugging. Okay, here MySQL is started, I think. Yes, here it has created the ports. And activates the ports on Apache as well. Default this site, I mean the default site disable, restart Apache, okay, and set the password for this. This is the password. And all done. Now let us go, and I can clear this, and okay, now let us open the web browser, and there we need to perform the uh, web installer. Web installer is always done manually because we need to select certain things, and we need to work out on this. We need to select language, database setting, mark flavor, and some frameworks we can select. And there are lots of things, and we need to set an admin account there. So web installer and onboarding tools we need to perform manually. Dot sh script or the script shell only install the Koha. I mean, it's run all the steps one by one. There's no need to work on the command line. It's work with all command lines. Okay, now we need that password. Okay. I need to open this. There's a local host, and the password is not here actually. So here's the web installer. You can see I'm looking for password. Yes, here. So let me copy this. Koha underscore library, that is our instance name. I can bigger this size so you can see easily. And there I need to put that password. I can save for now. There I need to select the language. By default, it's English only. And I need to check the Perl dependencies. There you can see the database setting here. And further, it has established the connection. Now we need to set up database. So it has created the tables. And now install basic configuration settings. So we need to select the mark flavor. If you are in European countries, so you can select Unimark, and for journal we can select Mark 21. And there we have some mandatory data, I mean some mandatory frameworks and some optionals. So we can go with some mandatory. I can select this fast add framework and CSV profiles. Uh, that's it. Okay, so it has import all the data here. You can see. And now move on. So we have installed it. Uh, there you can see congratulations, installation completed. And now we will go to onboarding tools where we will provide the code of our library that I can say graph limbs. The library name at graph limbs. And we can submit this. Now the category code for the administrator, I would say L for librarian. And yes, overdue notice is required. Default privacy. $60 month. and then submit this. Who will be the administrator here? So I put my name. I put 50. And there I must be conscious about to provide the username and password, because this username is bit different. I mean, you can see the username of Koha instance and the super library in both are different. So it must be different. Okay. Let's provide I hope I have provided the right name. Save now. And item code, of course, PK, the book. And the fine rules. Okay, so now we have started. We have completed the installation on one click only. We have complete the downloading and installation on one click. And of course, for onboarding tools and the web installer, we need to perform manually. So keep watching Reflims. This is Farooq Hussain. Let me log in here and that's it. So we have installed Koha 24.11.03, and you can ask me for this. Not this one. This is the password actually. I want to save this first and close this. This. So you can ask me this script, and what you need to do after having this script, uh, but for personal use only, not for commercial use, not for organization use. If you need for personal use, so you can email me. But if you need for your organization, you can purchase there. There's an option, there's a website available, so you can purchase this. So to help this channel, actually, I can give you this, but most of the time I have seen the scripts are using for commercial purpose for some blogs and some other places. So that's why actually I charge a little for commercial and for organizational use. So you can see this what you need to do after having this script. So this script is still here, and you need to create one file. You can use gedit or you can use nano, whatever you want to, editor, and then this file will create it, and you need to copy paste the script on that file, and you can save and exit this. Now after having the script, so you need to allot the command, you need to provide the permission to run, and then finally you need to execute this. That's all the three, all the complete script and three commands. So you can ask me if you want for personal use only, not for commercial use, not for organizational use. If you need for your organization, for your institute, so you can purchase. There's a link available and it's not so much high. So there's a link available on in the description of this video, so you can buy there. And yes, of course, you can offer me a coffee if you like my work and you want to appreciate this channel. So you can offer me a coffee, you can buy me a coffee. So thank you very much for watching Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. And one more thing, and that is important. At Raflims, we support Palestine. We stand with Palestine. We pray hard that may Almighty Allah help them, protect them, and we strongly boycott Israel and Israeli products. They are the real butcher in the history of this world. We at Waflims request you to being a Muslim or at least being a human, boycott Israel and Israeli products. Thank you very much for your time and patience.